guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. These are my favorite types of videos because in this video I'm working with Chroma. Chroma hooks you up with the cases. They're so fun. I love them. I have the iPhone 11 Pro. I did an unboxing. If you want to watch the video, it will be linked below. Hi. And I have this case right now, which is nice, but it's not really me. That's when Chroma comes in. Chroma sends me so many cases and they're so cute. If you check out their website, they have the cutest cases ever and they're interchangeable. So you can get like the bases and then a bunch of different designs to just change all the time. It's so fun and so great, and I love Chroma. If you love Chroma too, or you want to get new cases, Chroma's definitely my favorite. My code is Jennifer-Biana for 10% off, so if you want to use that and save some coin, yes ma'am. Anyways, let's get into it. And they also sent me this cute little sticker that says you can. I got 3 bases and this is how they come. Super cute packaging, absorbs over 11 feet of impact. I got 2 for me and 1 for my sister because I always get my sister the hookup with Chroma. Here they open like this. And for myself, for the iPhone 11 Pro, I got a black base. Frames, they're called frames, yes. So I got a black frame for myself, just a matte black one. So for myself, I got a white frame, just to keep it elegant chic. I've been kind of loving like black and white lately. I know you can't tell from my outfit, but I've been really loving black and white. And on the side, they do say Chroma on them, and all your buttons are protected. A good frame. I've dropped my phone with Chroma so many times and the frame rarely scratches. It's insane. I don't know if you can tell, but there's grips on the inside, so it really grips your phone. And this one's for my sister, but I'll show you guys anyways. I got the iPhone XR one for my sister. She got the dusty pink one. Chroma just got their iPhone 11 frames and cases done, so that is why I'm doing this video, because they just released it. I have an iPhone XR, so they do have all the older phones as well. Let's get to trying these on. I got a whole bunch. This is how they come, and it gives you exact instructions on how to put them on. This is the back plate. Express yourself and style your phone to every occasion. Chroma has so many collabs and so many designs on their website. There's definitely something you would like. So this is a flowery one I got. This look cuter with black or white with white. Oh, this is cute. Snaps in super easily. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, this is so beautiful with the rose gold. So pretty. I'm not like fully putting on the case because I have to try on a bunch of them, so it's like a little bit out so I can easily take them off, because once they're on your phone you can take them off, but it's like a little bit of a struggle because it's so tight on your phone. So I'm not gonna put on too tight right now, but look at how beautiful this is. Once it turns spring, I'm putting this case on. So cute. I always say rose gold. I know this is gold, but sometimes it looks really rose gold. So I ordered these a while ago, so I don't really remember what I ordered at this point. Oh, this is a bow. Oh, this is so Christmas. Oh my god, this is so this is so Christmas. I love it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's so Christmas. I love it. I love it. A plaid bow. So hi, love that. I don't even know what else to say. I just love bows. Chroma has a whole bow collection, which I absolutely adore. So hide. Another one. Oh, this one's one that I had before. I just love it so much. It reminds me of snow, so I totally love it. There's just like a white polka dot one. I love it with the white. It just really, it looks like snow. I've had this case before and it is a personal favorite of mine. It is very pretty. Like so girly, so light, so bright. I love it. Yeah, this one was honestly, if you're a simple girl. I love that all these cases are transparent because a lot of times we want to showcase the color we chose on the phone, and this is a great way to do that. This one's actually another personal classic favorite of mine. This is the black bow. This one's my favorite. This is the case I wore the most out of all of them. Honestly, you could use a black or a white. I don't think I've ever had black, so I always just used white. This was literally my old phone case. That's what I did. But honestly, this would look really elegant with black. So yeah, that looks cute. That's elegant. That's girly. That's gossip. Girl, that's so cute. It just makes me feel bougie. I just feel like I have enough money for Chanel. don't even remember what this one is. Me not remembering what any of them are. Oh, this one's so cute. This is from one of their collabs. It says something in Japanese right here, and it is adorable. What would I pair this with? I think the white one. As you can see, it's just a very like minimalist kind of case. It's very simple, very minimalist, but very cute at the same time. I like it a lot. Definitely shows off your case a lot more. It's just one simple thing in the middle. If you're a simple girl, this is some really cool art. Okay, and this is gonna be my sister's case. She just got this cutie pie bow, and I don't have her phone on me, but this is her case, which is also super girly. You could see it grips very easily from the inside of the frame. You put it on, perfect. So lovely, so dainty. I love their bow collection. That's probably one of my favorite collections of theirs. Now I'm gonna have to choose right now which one I like the most. This is it. Oh my god, so cute. I love this. This is definitely my favorite ever. I think this is adorable. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love Chroma so much, so every time I get to work with them is a pleasure. This is my code if you want. I know a couple of you guys have been using it and getting your Chroma cases, so let's get it, sis. I love these. And yeah, all right guys, I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.